Okay, so question 18, the infamous question on the Unit 3 review. Find the value of k such that the line containing 2k minus 8, comma 18 minus k is perpendicular to the line y equals 3/2 x plus 6 at the point 2, 9. So let me real quick draw an axis so you get an idea of what we're looking at here. And so the line that we're given just looks kind of like this. 3/2. Okay, and it looks like 2, 9 is at this point, is on this line, and we need a line that's perpendicular to it. So 2, 9. Actually, that would be right here. Okay, so this is 2, 9. We need a line that's perpendicular to it, so I'm just going to do a rough estimate. Looks something like this. So we know it passes through 2, 9, but it also passes through that weird one there. I'm just going to put it at a random spot. We'll find out what it really is. I'm just drawing this so we can conceptualize an easier way to solve this problem. So first of all, if it's perpendicular, we have to look at the slope and say, well, the slope must be the opposite sign reciprocal. So we're looking at something like y equals negative 2/3 x plus some y-intercept b. Now what's important here is the negative 2/3. And the negative 2/3 explains the slope from this point, which we're just going to assume is right here. It doesn't matter, it could be down here. And you'll still see the same slope. So we know the slope is the change in y over the change in x. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to look at the change in y. So that is 18 minus k minus 9. That would be the change in our y. And then we'll look at the change in our x, the horizontal change. So this would be 2k minus 8 minus 2. Okay, so hopefully you can see this clearly. This slope should be what we described here as negative 2/3. Okay. Oh. Like I said, it should be negative 2/3. So that means they're equal. Since I have this equality statement, I can solve for k. So this is what I'll do. I'll first simplify the left-hand side, which will look like 18 minus k minus 9. So I'm just going to take the 9 from 18 and get 9 minus k. And then in our denominator, we have 2k minus 8 minus 2. So I have 2k minus 10. And again, this is equal to negative 2/3. What we can do from here is cross multiply. You guys have learned to do this before. We know that negative 2 times 2k minus 10 is equal to 9 minus k times 3. So let's try it like this. 3 times 9 minus k. Cool. Now once I simplify this, I'll find the value of k. We get negative 4k plus 20 is equal to 27 minus 3k. I can add 4k to both sides, and this will provide me with, oh, come on pen, 20 equals 27 plus k. Subtract 27 from both sides. Make sure I write that for you. I get negative 7 equals k. So if you actually plug this in into here, you would find that coordinate. Let's do it. So we know it's 2k, so 2 times negative 7, which is negative 14, minus 8, which simplifies to negative 22, and then 18 minus k, so that would be 18, plus 7, which would be 25. So that point would actually be like boop, 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 all the way like up here. But it would be on the line, and if you looked at the slope from that point all the way to here, whatever it is, it would reduce to, what was the slope we chose? Negative 2/3. So that is the value of k.